Hey guys, this is Aaron Lewis, and in today's video, I'm actually just going to be unboxing my new soundbar, the Sound Blaster X from Katana, which is a gaming soundbar. I recently just purchased a gaming setup. I don't know if you can see the stuff in the background, but I needed a soundbar, so I went out and bought this. Let's get stuck into unboxing it. Alright guys, so this is just the box that it comes in. I'm just going to open up the top now. It just has some tape at the top here. I'm just going to slice it with my scissors. There we go. Being a bit of a pain to open. There we go. Alright. Have to angle it out so you guys can actually see it. I think this is the soundbar right on top here. Let's just have a look at that before we go any further. Oh, it's actually very nice and small. I expected it to be a bit bigger than this. But that's it. Has two speakers at the top here, and the power button and volume, and obviously to switch between your screens. That's actually really nice. Now to get the subwoofer out. So there it is. There we go. So this is just the subwoofer. It's very tall and skinny. So I'm probably just going to be putting this on the floor of my setup. What else comes in the box? It has a box on the side here, which I'm not certain what will be in it. I think it's just the manual. Yeah, manual. Remote to control the soundbar with. Cords, more cords, the power block, I'm guessing, for the soundbar. And it looks like it comes with wall brackets in case you want to hang it on your wall, which I will not be doing. So, and there is another box in here. I don't know if it's empty or not. I think it's just an empty box to help keep it in. Alright, now I'm just going to be setting the whole thing up on my computer desk, so I'll show you guys after what it looks like and how it runs. And just like that, the soundbar and subwoofer is all set up for use. I was extremely impressed with how easy it was to set up. It's just 3 cables. One plugs right into the back of the subwoofer, the other one is just a power cable, and then you have a USB port to plug into the back of your computer. Now, I am very impressed with how well they've designed it. It's got a brushed metal finish on the top here with metal coverings for the speakers, which I'm absolutely in love with. I don't know if you guys have ever had speakers where it has the fabric coverings, and when you go to clean it because it gets covered in dust, the dust just doesn't come off. But these metal grills as speaker covers will do extremely well and easy when it comes to wiping down the speaker to get rid of all the dust on it. It also comes with a remote which you can change the settings on, adjust the volume, change the bass, and you can also change the lighting. So as you can see here, it has an LED button. I'll try and get it to focus. If you just press that, it turns the lights off. Then you have Wave Ice, which just goes back and forth. Then you have the Wave Rainbow, which is probably the typical gaming color that people have on their gaming setups. And you have Solo Orange, which is nice. And then Aurora, which is probably what one I will be having for my setup, because as you can see, everything is pretty much blue in my gaming setup. There is also an app that you can download off their Sound Blaster site. It's just called Sound Blaster Connect. You just go into their site and download it. It just gives you a couple of extra features such as lighting. You can change the lighting if you want, so I can have Wave Fire, as you can see down at the bottom of the screen, Wave Ice, and I'm pretty sure you can change the color if you really want to. Yep, you can change the color as I just did there. But I personally just like the Aurora setting. So yes, that is an extra added feature with the Sound Blaster. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed me unboxing my new soundbar and subwoofer. I do plan on doing a gaming desk setup in an upcoming video, but at the moment I've just got a couple other video ideas that I want to get out. But if you guys do want to see that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for it, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and it helped you guys out. And don't forget to go check out my social media accounts that are always down in the description box below. I do post on my Instagram story quite a lot, and I do upload there quite regularly. So if you guys want to reach out to me and ask me any questions, feel free to follow me on Instagram and send me a quick message. I always reply. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Bye guys, have a good day.